Data analytics skill builders available in CNOWv2 using Excel online. This means students do not need to have Excel on their computers in order to complete these assignments. Each activity contains a large data set with up to 500 rows. For this particular problem, you'll see there are 130 rows and 7 columns of data. Because these data sets are algorithmic, each student will work with a randomly generated data set. In some problems, students are required to complete the data set using fundamental accounting skills. Then students will use pivot tables and formulas to answer the questions that follow. To assist students as they progress through the activity, CNOWv2 offers Check My Work feedback within the problem, a Show Me How video to help them with creating pivot tables, and formula resources to assist them with using Excel. After they submit the activity for grade, students can review the thorough post-submission feedback with detailed written instructions and an Excel solution spreadsheet. Lastly, remember these activities are algorithmic, so students can improve their learning outcomes by trying another version of this activity with a new data set.